Hello! So we're here on one of the Coral Cay Islands, and this plant here is called a sea trumpet flower. It's also called kerosene wood. It's got these brilliant bright orange trumpet flowers, and then they turn into a little floating seed, and they are dispersed all around the ocean, and they wash up on shore and start growing in other places. This one's found all throughout Africa, up around India, and then it comes down through the Pacific and through all the Pacific islands. It's called Cordia subcordata, and that's because some guy named Cordius named it, but then also the leaf is almost cordate. Cordate means it's a heart shape. These ones are pretty much just ovate. And it's got a huge range of uses. So in a lot of Polynesian islands, especially Hawaii, they use the timber itself to make bowls because it doesn't impart any flavour onto food. And then it's also the leaves and the inner bark have medical properties. So these leaves can be crushed up and used as a poultice in wounds. They have antimicrobial, antibacterial properties because they're high in phenols and quinine. And also the bark can be used, crushed up and made a decoction for stomach issues. The interesting thing also is that it's called kerosene wood, and that's because that timber is full of terpenes, which are highly flammable, and other resins. So apparently you can burn this really easily even when it's green or it's wet. So I think there's quite an interesting ethnobotanical story about this plant too. I don't think it naturally would have got to all the islands, but people might have moved it around with them because it's a tree of many uses. But yeah, that's sea trumpet or kerosene wood. Goodbye.